What's up everybody? Welcome to Gamingtech keyboard tools. You know exactly what I'm gonna do. We will disassemble Glorious GMMK Pro keyboard. I showed this keyboard before. This one I'm building for a friend. So all of the modifications and everything that I'm doing is his request. Previously I did an unboxing of this keyboard. The bare bone is quite heavy, base, whatever you want to call it. Some users claim that removing the volume knob is quite hard. On this model it was quite easy, as you see. I had no issues. 8 screws on the back panel in order to access the rest of the keyboard. I'm doing it for the first time. I'm sharing you the full experience. I've seen a lot of videos. People are doing it super easy. One of the things I saw, the screws being extremely tight. There's not gonna be any fancy edits. I'm gonna exactly show you how it is, because some of the videos are quite misleading. The experience wasn't that super smooth to open this keyboard. Trying to find the right bit for it. Like I said, first time. It's surprising how tight they made the screws though. Machine tightened or what? Like, you gotta have quite strong hands for it. I did struggle a lot. That's why this video is gonna be solid 8 minutes. I didn't prolong anything, giving you the full experience how it was for me. Afterwards it gets easier though. Trying a different one here. I mean, you can strip these screws also, which I seen on forums as well. So take your time. If you can't open, try another one. That's one of them. 7 more to go.
Damn, these are very tight.
As you see here, struggling very hard. That's why immediately I switched to another one, because in past I had this issue, not with the keyboard, with some other stuff. From there I have learned. Try to do cross pattern. Here I'm marking, so I'm basically writing back panel with 8 screws. They say that this keyboard is not exactly beginner friendly, but I don't know, I didn't have any issues. There are some people out there who are doing phenomenal job with displaying how to assemble, disassemble.
Are you stupid?
How to do mods and so forth. I will link those below as well. They helped me tremendous amount. Xiaomi screwdriver, nothing motorized, just the regular one. That's the third one, 5 more. Obviously, since I filmed the process also and I have the camera right behind me, I felt limited by the space. But this is all for you guys so you can see the experience. I recorded everything. By the time you see this video, everything is finished. I'll tell you one thing, those link switches sound amazing, and I have done something that nobody has done.
4?
It was pure experiment, but it turned out great. Only one thing I'll mention, I didn't pay attention to the ISO and ANSI layout. And the enter buttons are different. That's the only issue I had, so I had to improvise with white keycaps. And another thing with this custom keyboard world, if you want particular switch, especially in Sweden, they're quite hard to find. You need to order them from state or somewhere else. Delivery, shipping time, it's a long process. On top of that, you always get taxated. Regardless, any packaging coming from America,
5.
they always stop it. That's the unfortunate part.
It does take time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we do this one. Oh my god,
If they
they're
had a
so
deal
hard.
like AliExpress where stuff were getting declared by them, you just pay the, taxation with the included price, that would be phenomenal. Let's continue with the process. As you see here, do you see that mark on my hand? It is crazy. And I'm a quite strong guy. But this case is fingerprint magnet.
3, 4, 5.
So if you don't want to have
6.
fingerprints, use gloves or something else. Later on, I was gonna clean it anyway. But I was doing my best to not touch as much as I can. Having some tea here. Cold one, actually. Overall, am I hooked in the process of building custom keyboards? Oh yeah. Going for Keychron, which is gonna be for myself. Q1 I believe. With CJ switches. I need to find those CJ switches because I wanted to match the color of the keyboard, which is blue, with the switches.
7. Oh, my hand hurts absolutely.
I understand why people call this hobby a rabbit hole. I totally get it today. I was so skeptical at the start, but once you build your own keyboard, you get the sound the way you want, the feel, the everything else. The terms, clacky, talk, switch types, it is a crazy world. That's all I can say, and we will be exploring much more together. I appreciate my friend also, who gave me the honor to do the first custom keyboard. Even though I didn't know anything, I still did my research to provide the best experience for him as well. Here we remove the top layer. They have different colors also from Glorious to change the top layer's color, which costs $50, which is quite crazy price if you ask me, but... And here there's gonna be a cable that you need to pay attention and carefully remove so you don't damage. Grab it tightly and remove it in one go.
There we go.
This was the disassembly process of this GMMK Pro keyboard. I've been gaming World War III, by the way. Phenomenal game. I love it. It's different. Tactical FPS. It's fun. That's why I've been gone, let's say. When I game, it's hard to do editing. Additionally, my own work. Everything gets mixed up. I hope you guys are still grateful for what I can provide to you guys. It was fun. I love the process. I love the process. If it's a world that you want to explore, I highly recommend.
Wow,
If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so. Like and share the video. Thank you for your support. Take care of yourselves. Let's go, guys.